Okay, so let's start. Let's talk more about function. So if you remember my first video, I cover how can we introduce a function and how can we write a simple function program in Python. So let's talk about more detail about a function. So let's talk about very important concept in function. You know, if you let's talk about C or Java, the other language, you have call by value and call by value and call by reference concept. If you remember this call by reference concept, if you remember. So basically in here in Python we don't have call by value and call by reference concept. We have other concept call by object reference. Okay, so we'll talk about this, why we don't have call by value here in Python, why we don't have call by reference, why we have call by object reference. So especially suppose you are a fresher, and generally suppose you are going for a job and interview, they generally ask such question because it's really important to know call by value and call by reference both are not exist in Python. We have different concept called call by object reference. So that's why they ask generally in the interview. Okay, so but if you are the condition is you have to be fresher, then they will ask such questions. Okay, so let's talk about this. But let's talk what is call by value first. If you have a function, suppose you have this function, okay, and you are passing this, suppose this value x is equal to a something in this particular function, and you are doing some maybe manipulation in this x, and anyway your x become b here. So you are able to print x, you are able to use this x inside the function as b, but suppose you come out the function and then you are going to use x, it will be not b, it will be still a. That is called call by value. Means अगर आप कोई वैल्यू पास कर रहे हो फंक्शन के अंदर तो वो चेंज होगा, अगर फंक्शन के अंदर तो फंक्शन के अंदर तो आप यूज कर सकते हो उसको, बट चाहिए आप फंक्शन के बाहर आते हो, यू आर नॉट एबल टू यूज दैट वैल्यू, यू आर गोइंग टू यूज ओनली दिस वैल्यू. Okay, so this is called call by value. Call by value, or you can say pass by value. But suppose you are passing with reference, call by reference means you are passing the memory address. Okay, and in this case, suppose you are again you are passing some x is equal to a. So just you are passing the reference to the address of the particular thing, and then suppose you are manipulating here, maybe you are making x is equal to b. So now it's become x is equal to b, and you are able to use x is equal to b inside the function as well as outside the function. Suppose you come out the function and writing print x, so it will return b. Suppose you are writing print x, it will return b, but here if you write print x, it will return a. Getting my point? So this is called call by value, or this is call by reference, but this concept is not applicable here in Python. So let's talk. Let me first prove this. This call by value and call by reference is not applicable here, and then I will go for call by object reference. Okay. So let me go to the Jupyter notebook and let me show this. These call by value and call by references not applicable here. Okay. So let's go to the Jupyter notebook. Just a minute. Yeah, here you can see. Let me write a simple program. Suppose I'm just to see. I'm writing here. Maybe just see. I'm writing here diff one function, maybe f1, and I'm passing maybe x here. So see this, and suppose I'm writing x is equal to b, and then I'm writing print x here, and just see this. Suppose I'm just calling here, just see, suppose I'm writing here x is equal to 10, and I'm saying print x, and then I'm calling this, maybe here is not b, is not, let's take out 20 here, and then I'm saying see carefully, and then I'm saying again print x. So see this, first I'm getting let me write here again, let me call this value. So I'm calling f1 x. So now see, we are able to see first we are printing x10, and then we go into the function and printing 20, and again if you see this again 10. So here you can see, we can say this particular value is not changing. So you can say call by value is applicable, but not applicable. Just wait 1 minute. You can just if you see this example, you can say nahi call by value to applicable hai. But let's go for another example. Let's see another example, then we can say whether this is possible or not. So suppose I am making another function, simple function again. I am making one function f2, and I am passing one list, maybe that again a x. This is a list, and I'm just changing x of 0 first position and make my writing 20, and then I'm just print x. See this? Now I have a list, maybe this is y or maybe x again. I'm writing, giving some data, maybe 2, maybe 2, and then 3, then 4, and then 5, and then I'm printing this x, print x. Now I'm calling this f2x, and again I'm printing x. See carefully. So see this, like here you have this particular list 2, 3, 4, but जब मैं कॉल करता हूँ तो यहाँ पे 20 हो जाएगा first position, you become 20, 3, 4, 5, और by outside function again I am calling this function, this particular variable. Now you can see value is changed, but here I'm not just I'm passing value, I'm not passing reference, but still we are able to change this. Getting my point? So but रियल केस में जो कॉल बाय वैल्यू है वो तो वो बोलता है अगर आप वैल्यू डालेंगे तो चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए, बट यहाँ तो चेंज हो गया, इसका मतलब दिस इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल, कॉल बाय वैल्यू इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल हियर. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग इन पाइथन कॉल बाय वैल्यूज you are able to change it, you are able to change it. See, listen carefully, why we are able to change it, की अब important है, ध्यान से देखिए, why we are able to change it. See, in Python list is mutable. Okay, if you see this in Python, like 2, 3, 4, in Python list is mutable. So if you can see, suppose I am writing x is 0 is maybe 20, and just see this, I am writing x, so here you can see this value is changed because list is mutable. So same concept is here. If you are passing this value into the list और हम इसको change कर रहे हैं तो ये change possible हो पा रहा है क्योंकि list mutable है, but same यहाँ integer के साथ नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि पाइथन में इंटीजर तो म्यूटेबल नहीं है, एक बार सेव हो गया तो सेव हो गया, इट्स नॉट म्यूटेबल. आप उसका एड्रेस चेक कर लीजिए, वो एड्रेस बदल चुका होगा, बट वैल्यू इज नॉट म्यूटेबल. सो जो चीज म्यूटेबल नहीं है वो फंक्शन में पास करेंगे तो म्यूटेबल नहीं हो पाएगा, चेंज नहीं हो पाएगा, लेकिन जो चीज म्यूटेबल है वो चेंज हो जाएगा. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे तो कॉल बाय फंक्शन हुआ ही नहीं, कॉल बाय वैल्यू, कॉल बाय रेफरेंस वाला कंसेप्ट हुआ ही नहीं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सेम टाइम चेंज भी हो रहा है, सेम टाइम चेंज भी नहीं हो रहा है. जैसे अब मैंने इंटीजर पास किया, चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, और सेम मैं रेफरेंस पास कर दूं, चेंज हो रहा है. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि ये पाइथन के एक तो थोड़ा सा आगे जब हम उप्स में जाएंगे तो मैं आई विल डिस्कस दिस कि एवरीथिंग इन पाइथन इज ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो यू आर एबल टू चेंज, वी आर एबल टू समटाइम चेंज, क्योंकि उसकी प्रॉपर्टी है. लाइक लिस्ट में वी कैन चेंज, म्यूटेबल है, बट अगर टपल पास करते तो नहीं म्यूटेबल होता. वी आर नॉट एबल टू चेंज इवन इन फंक्शन ऑल्सो. सेम हैपन विथ इंटीजर, वी आर नॉट एबल टू चेंज दैट वैल्यू एनीवे. दिस इज नॉट म्यूटेबल, इज इनम्यूटेबल. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम पासिंग इनटू द फंक्शन, वी आर नॉट एबल टू चेंज इनटू द फंक्शन. ओके, so that's why the important concept is, अगर आप कोई भी चीज फंक्शन में पास करो जो म्यूटेबल है तो हम म्यूट कर सकते हैं, अगर म्यूटेबल नहीं है तो नहीं कर सकते. इसका मतलब है तो कॉल बाय वैल्यू वाली बात ही नहीं हुई, कॉल बाय रेफरेंस वाली बात नहीं हुई, क्योंकि एक ही बार में एक ही तरह से भेजने में कभी चेंज कर सकते हैं, कभी नहीं कर सकते. इसीलिए इसका अनदर नाम है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉल बाय ऑब्जेक्ट रेफरेंस. क्या आप ऑब्जेक्ट दे रहे हैं, क्योंकि उसके हिसाब से, लाइक इंटीजर के हिसाब से तो नहीं बदलेगा, लिस्ट बदल सकता है तो बदल जाएगा. Getting my point? So जो चीज हम चेंज कर सकते हैं वो चेंज हो जाएगा, जो चीज नहीं कर सकते वो नहीं होगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉल बाय वैल्यू एंड कॉल बाय रेफरेंस. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट गाइस. ओके, सो आपको ये बिल्कुल पता होना चाहिए. इफ यू गोइंग टू इंटरव्यू, सपोज यू आर अ फ्रेशर, जनरली दे विल आस्क सच क्वेश्चंस इन इंटरव्यू. सो आपको ये आइडिया होना चाहिए व्हाट इज कॉल बाय वैल्यू एंड कॉल बाय रेफरेंस एनीवे, एंड पाइथन व्हाई इज नॉट पॉसिबल, एंड इन पाइथन दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉल बाय ऑब्जेक्ट रेफरेंस. दिस वेरी सिंपल थिंग. ओके, तो ये एक छोटा सा कंसेप्ट था फंक्शन में, दैट्स व्हाई आई कवर्ड इन दिस वीडियो. एंड इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई एम ट्राइंग टू गो इनटू मोर डिटेल, then we are going to cover more good problems in functions. Okay, so let's stop this, and okay, so I will cover in the next video in more deep problem in function. Okay, but this is a really good concept. Okay guys, thank you very much, thank you.